It's an early start of a day in Neil Islands. It's around 5 a.m. and we decided to come to Sitapur beach, which is like 5 kilometers from the main junction. So this place is known for the sunrise, so we thought we'll get a glimpse of it.
Like any other beach in Neil Island, Sitapur beach was also very clean. With the beach exclusive for ourselves, we found a nice spot to enjoy the sunrise. After a while, we then proceeded to visit the natural coral bridge, which is the most popular tourist destination in the island. This natural formation is a must visit when you are in the island. To see this amazing natural formation, you have to be there when the tide is low. What makes this place interesting is the variety of sea creatures that you can see here. You can find small fish, sea urchin, sea cucumber, starfish, and even some colorful corals that grow along the rocks. The next destination in the island was Bharatpur beach. This is where you can experience and enjoy all the water sports. You can do a variety of activities here like parasailing, jet skiing, speed boating, a ride on the glass bottom boat, and even snorkeling. After spending some time here, we then moved to the next destination, which is Lakshmanpur beach. The ride to this place on a bike through the lush greenery was relaxing and thrilling. We reached there by around 5 p.m. and we spent time watching the sunset as usual. It was a great way to end the day. So we are on the cruise to Port Blair right now. The weather is amazing. Got a chance to stand outside as well and get a view of the whole place. What you see over there is the Lakshmanpur beach where we went yesterday. That's the whole of Neil Island that you can see. Looks great.
So we are on the way to Baratang and see the Limestone Caves and a couple of other places around. So started the day around 2:30 in the morning and we are at the check post at the reserve forest, which will open by 6 o'clock. We also happen to cross the Jarawa tribe reserve area, so hopefully going to see some of them. Let's see how it is.
We hired a car from Port Blair and reached Baratang Island. We then got into a boat to reach the mangrove forest and the limestone caves. Approximately 100 kilometers from Port Blair, Baratang Island is another major tourist attraction for the people who visit Andamans. After half an hour of boat ride, we reached the place from where we had to trek to reach the limestone caves. We then started the 1 kilometer trek through the forest. The whole trail was extremely beautiful. After a while, we reached the entrance of the caves. Our guide took us inside and explained how the formation happened and the significance of each of the structures found inside there. It was fascinating to see these limestone structures inside the cave. With Bratang as the final destination in Andamans, we then headed back with a lot of memories to cherish forever.